Before beginning, remove all media and ribbon. Do not use the cleaning pin. Clean the roll holders and frame using a lint-free wipe and isopropyl alcohol. Use a cotton swab moistened with alcohol to clean off any adhesive buildup on the media guides, roll holders, and other areas. Wipe the areas thoroughly to remove all paper dust and accumulated adhesive. For printers with the dispenser option, open the door and clean the rollers and peel bar. Clean the ridges and outside of the door. Clean the upper media path areas. Clean the whole surface below the upper media sensor. Clean the print head cover. Clean the upper ribbon path above the print head. The outside of the printer may be cleaned with common solutions including isopropyl alcohol and water. Do not clean the connectors or power switch.